Very fast. This thing is the simplest thing, simplest solution. Any gini and two mar which bar ichiedho gi Panadol or antibiotics. Antibiotics uchiedho bacteria. My was very simple. Angis in never bet kodika. Bawa kwayo juthurua ni mandamano my were very violent. Manemi ute duke wang Kisumo must stop. Did it stop? It stopped. Mache manyalo prescribe. For example, karomo kudomulu. Karaki winjo ochumulu. Lungi say talk to opinion shapers. One can do kwabet kako did worship opinion of our people. Every week or twice in a week. To worship opinions is more to give. If we go and get time on our bed called in a boardroom. Bende wanya look and worship opinion can worship opinion of our people. Monon ket koro wangiyo issue mar thurua. Ne violence ni. No chawa se wokie. Ere kendo kaka koro wadok kende gini. Nyocha wach mandamano manonge makata eru kana wacho sani kichieu nikoro kendo ni gidhura mantiere mandamano to Kibera is safe. Nyocha wasechopo kacha. Why are we getting back to where we had already left? How did we get here? Koro opinion shapers, the likes of Audi Ogada, the likes of Duku, the likes of Cleophas, these shapers. Let us do a meeting. Governor, party leader Uburu. By now, no opinion shapers. You better go bother chai. People who appear in media spaces, and talk about it. Omolo and the rest. As much as he's a young person, and I think I really like it. At least it's acknowledging. There's a problem. To Kaponin says no engagement to Gimbele, Manobe is a problem. But by now, according to me, there's a problem. How do we address the problem? How do we address the problem? And winning hearts and minds. Handouts might not be able to help our people. Bende emanyalo bedo medokelo problem.
Mana gima gida winjo sani. Iwacho ni pesa mar gonya ok de konyo.
Okonyal konyo.
Pok no konyo. Okinyal en gimi bro luori to wabro duogo mana kacha. Kuro matimbre kuro pesa mar gonya ni okelo nyaka kuro thoe. The last time man ne onyalo celebrate and ajudo 500 jodi. Kata man empowerment mitimo gi sitemoko. There's another one in Ogunja, but there was not a guns. But nentiere gimlo on stampede. Because kaka sitemoko ipogi. To sitemoko mano bekelo sitemoko problem. Wanyalo structure in a different way. To nikech gini a societal problem. Issue involving police. Yes, Nduku, you can involve police. But the truth of the matter and the leadership. Get gini ben, the police, what's overwhelmed police? You cannot tell me, Ndukuni, somebody be record pesa to pogoji miare to jigo to the stampede, then you blame the police. Come on.
So what we need to our leadership, we must change tact. No one do engage government nadi. We've already agreed, okay, we're not even calling president. Kuro want to development marwa nikata kaka wa engage. One misbehave, gik mwatimo, gini gik mabende, chido chunyi, ni kuro jikoro thoe gini. Gomane wa gorele for many years, all these years, almost 60 years, then Raila Odinga be president. Raila Odinga died. Kuro angomwala aramo meyo, yudhi makisumone gubernyo ronyo negre areo. For what purpose?
Erokamano Omondi. Penyo maduong' ahinya mantiere kar kae. To pod ka duogo kanya koro